Hey, Aiden. You happy about your first day at school? You are? You look really cute. I love the little monkeys on your toes. I wish you had slept better last night. Alrighty. You go make lots of friends. No girlfriends, though. Alrighty, buddy. Mom and Dad are gonna miss you. Huh? You're happy to leave the house, huh? You're happy. Like, get me out of here. Alright, buddy. We're gonna miss you. We're gonna miss you. Love you, Aiden. Love you.